tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go, somebody gotta see the medical. And every time I come, I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello everyone, as you may already know, my name is Mos. I cook on this channel sometimes. And what I've got in store for you guys today is a bit of steak. Some steak, some vegetables. Yeah, it's gonna be. I'm trying to move over to maybe do some healthy food. Yeah, as you probably can see, since I've started making these videos, all the fatty food, I have gained quite a bit of belly. So I'm gonna try and make some healthier food. Try. The key word there is try. So let's see how it goes. All right. Steak. We got steak on the way. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Subscribe to the channel. MosToosifar, YouTube and Instagram, all in the name of MosToosifar. Follow me, subscribe at me, and enjoy the show. Guys, so to start off with, first thing we need is a bit of butter. We need to put it in there to, you know, give it the real taste. Let that melt. Okay, as you can see, our butter has melted beautifully. Smells amazing. Now, time to get the main thing. Steak number one. Steak number two. Steak number three. We've got room for one more. And steak number four. We're not going to obviously leave it just as that. Put some pepper in. Okay. Bit of pepper. There's the salt. Bit of salt. Let me turn this down so it does it a little bit slowly. Then we're going to simply flip it over, flip it over, flip it over. See how quickly it's already changed color? Pepper. Okay. This is broke. Bit of salt. Done. We're going to turn this down, let it cook slowly. I'm going to put the lid on. I am going to turn on the oven, let that preheat. Get this out. We will be putting some potatoes in there. Right. Got my oven tray. There we go. Happy days. Put those in. Enough. Stick them in the oven. I'll put it at 200 degrees for now. I'm going to bring it down a little bit to 180, but I'll give it 5 minutes. Now, what I'm going to do to the steak, as it's cooking slowly, is quite simply add garlic. Also, I've got some rosemary as well. Need to put it in there, put a few in there, just to give it the garnish, you know, give it a little flavour. And also it makes it look nice as well, of course, obviously. Smell that, guys. Wow. Get rid of these extra bits. Although you can put it all in there, but you know, I like to be a little bit fussy. Where's the thing? Get it in there, rub it on, let the garlic go in between, all the textures, all the, look at that. That is looking gorgeous already. Right, let that go on 5 minutes. We'll come and we'll turn them around, let that cook. It's been a few minutes. All I want to do is just flip them over so they will cook evenly. You don't want it to see how it's going hard. Don't want that. You want it to stay nice and soft, succulent. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful. Pour it to a side, get that lovely butter, pour it on top, let it do its thing. Don't worry about this, guys. You just want it to stay juicy. Right, that's gone hard, that's soft, soft, soft. I don't know what happened to this one. You're right, mate. What happened to you? Loosen up. You look alright. Yeah. Anywho, put some more on top. Look at that. Guys, that rosemary and garlic is doing its thing. I'm not going to crush them. I'm not going to squeeze them. Nothing. Just let it be. Do its thing. Put the lid back on. Come check up on it another 5 minutes. And I will go to our potatoes. Yeah, they're loosened up too. We're back again in about 5 minutes. Right, guys, that's been there for about 10 minutes or so. That's enough. What I'm going to do now, I'll get my baking tray. We are going to put everything, where is it? In that tray. I'm going to put it in the oven, just underneath the potatoes, so it could cook a bit slower because we want the middle to be nice and cooked as well. Let it cook slowly, do its thing. What is going on? I'm struggling to put this. Oh my, let's go. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Look at that. And of course we're going to pour everything on top. Nothing is going to waste. Oh wow, look at that, that's beautiful. That is amazing, that is absolutely beautiful. I can turn that off, don't need it anymore. Get that. Spread everything evenly. Okay? Because you want the taste to go all over it. Get one of these on the other side. Happy days. This can go in the oven. Leave it in there, 15-20 minutes. So, whilst everything's in the oven getting prepared, I'm just going to reheat this again. I'm not going to put any oil or anything in there. Whatever residue is left in there, is that the right word? Residue? I don't know. Whatever oil is basically in the end of the pan here already, I'm going to just use that. Because, yeah, we're kind of trying to go healthy, kind of, right? Kind of. Anyway, I have got some mangetot. I don't even know if that's how you pronounce it. What I'm going to do is put some in there. Just give it a bit of heat. That's all it is. I just like the colour. It's nice. Let that, let that heat up a little bit. Just mix it as it goes on with the flavour of everything that's already in there, from the garlic and the rosemary, salt, pepper, the meat itself. You see it's just getting a little bit oily, taking up from there. Beautiful, that is all I want. Right, that's that. Okay, also I got some cherry tomatoes. Just pour it in. It comes out. There you go. Done. Let me just pour a little bit more of these in as well so it balances it out. There you go. Alright. Oh, just for good luck. Again, mix it all up. You just want to turn it down so it's not too hot. There's that. Okay, where's the lid? Put it on, give it a few minutes, good to go. Let's get our meat out. How about that? Oh boy, there we go. Woo. Oh wow, look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, have a look at that. That is beautiful, that is. Amazing. Move this out of the way. Put this here. Oh, well. Yeah, looking good. Whilst it's hot, all you want to do, probably not this knife, you just want to slice it up. I do have a bit of a blunt knife, which I don't like. I need to get it sharpened. Any suggestions? There's that. Just move it over, nice and neat. Before that, let's have a quick check up on this. See what all the fuss is all about, all the noises that it's making. You don't want it to burn, so keep it low so it can keep on going. Look at that. That is beautiful. The green and the red. Green and red is a beautiful, lovely combination of colours. And then we've got the lovely succulent meat. Yeah, let's leave that. Move back over to the meat. Where are we? Where are we? Come to daddy. Come here. I'm going to chop these up. Put them on another plate. And then Bob's your uncle. Right. Just have a look at that. Cooked right in the middle. The oven did its thing. The oven did its job, guys. I'm pleased to say. It didn't burn. I've been waiting for this for a long time actually. I've been meaning to make this. It's been a while. It's been a while. What I'm going to do, cut off the camera, cut the rest of the meat, get the potatoes ready, get those ready, and present it and see how it goes. What I'm going to do is take these out so they don't burn. Oh, I just burnt my finger there. Take these out. These are good. These are pretty much all ready. Keep them warm. You know, stick them in the microwave or keep them warm, not obviously next to a window or anything. Let these stay in a little bit more. We want it to go a little bit more soggy. You know, they're still a bit hard. So loosen them up a little bit. Let it cook, let it do its thing. And yeah. Put the lid back on. Give the tomatoes a final stir. And we should be good to go. See? Just want them to change colour a little bit. Get a little bit of burnt effect on the outside skin. And loosen up so it's a bit softer as well. Pretty good, I would say. Let's turn that off. And then, let me get the plate. This is what you want to do. You're going to get your plate here. Okay? You want to get your portion of meat, stick it there. Okay. Second portion of meat. Look at that, guys, that is beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. I just want to make sure it's all cut. Okay, there you are. Just make it a little bit messy, not so, you know, organised. Because we do like it a little bit messy. Okay. Get your warm greens. Stick it in the plate. Okay. Your lovely, lovely, lovely smalls. Don't bad bing. Got it going. Oh, look at that, we've got one rosemary as well. Okay, that should do. Now, time for the difficult part. Let me turn it off. Let's move this out of the way. Move that out of the way. Okay, don't burn. Bring it out. There we go. There's your potatoes. What you want to do is get them, just put a few in there. Right, look at that. That is beautiful colours, isn't it, guys? That is absolutely beautiful. It's a shame it wasn't small bits, it was like a lot of these are big chunky bits, but anywho, that's that. Right, put one more in just to make it look full on. Here it is. You've got your potatoes, tomatoes, mangota, I think that's how you pronounce it, I'm not sure, I may be wrong, I do apologise. You've got your steak. Perfectly healthy, protein, lean, and of course delicious, and filling, of course. Do a little quick couple of pictures, montage kind of thing, and let's eat.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come